Karmelo Anthony files appeal following 35-year murder sentence in Frisco track meet stabbing. Frisco, Texas, Karmelo Anthony, the 19-year-old convicted of fatally stabbing 17-year-old Austin Metcalf during a high school track meet in April 2025, has formally filed a notice of appeal, marking the first step in challenging his conviction and sentence. A Collin County jury convicted Anthony of murder on Tuesday after deliberating for roughly 3 hours. The same jury then sentenced him to 35 years in prison. Under Texas law, Anthony will become eligible for parole after serving half of his sentence, or approximately 17.5 years. The incident occurred on April 2, 2025, at a track and field championship event in Frisco. According to trial testimony and reports, thunderstorms forced competitors undercover. Anthony, from a different school, sought shelter under a tent used by Metcalf's team. When asked to leave, a confrontation escalated. Witnesses describe Anthony warning others, pulling a knife from his backpack after being grabbed or pushed, and stabbing Metcalf once in the chest. Metcalf died shortly afterward. Anthony's defense team argued self-defense, claiming he acted to protect himself during the altercation. The jury rejected this claim, along with any potential sudden passion argument that could have reduced the charge. Anthony did not testify during the trial. His mother was the primary witness called during the sentencing phase. The case drew intense national attention and sparked heated public debate, including protests outside the courthouse and online discussions that often divided along racial lines. Anthony is black, Metcalf was white. Supporters of the Metcalf family emphasized accountability and justice for the victim, while some critics questioned the verdict and sentence. Fox News correspondent Brooke Taylor reported on the latest developments for the story, noting Anthony's emotional reaction, crying and visibly shaking as the verdict was read. Filing the notice of appeal is standard procedure and gives Anthony's legal team 30 days from sentencing to proceed with a full appeal to a higher court. Convicted murderers in Texas are generally not eligible for bond pending appeal. Collin County District Attorney's Office representatives have described the outcome as justice served for Austin Metcalf and his family. Metcalf's father, Jeff, addressed Anthony directly in court, stating the case was about right and wrong rather than race. The appeal process could take months or years to resolve, focusing potentially on issues such as the self-defense claim, evidentiary rulings, or jury instructions. Anthony remains in custody as he awaits transfer to the Texas Department of Criminal Justice system.